Welcome on my YouTube channel. So dear friends, in this short video I would like to show you how does it look like if you ground the turntable, because sometimes you receive from the speakers the noise from the electricity net. Here in Czech Republic we have in the electricity net the 50 Hz frequency. Now I have here on the table an old Omnitronic DD2250 disco turntable, and I try to test it, and if the turntable is connected to this mixer and to the amplifier and to the speakers, I can hear the loud noise from the electricity net. I believe that you can hear it, 50 Hz noise. And I would like to show you what happens if you ground the turntable, because sometimes on most of not bad turntables have the ground cable. These are the signal cables, signal connectors, RCA, cinch connectors, so everybody knows. And here is the third cable with this metal part, and it's a ground. So I would like to show you what happens with the sound if you ground it. Yes, please don't do it like me if it is switched everything on. It's only for the demonstration how changes the sound, what happens. So please always switch everything off and then connect it. So don't do it like I will do it just now. So now are connected only the cinch, the RCA connectors, without the ground. I put the volume up. You should hear it, 50 Hz noise, and it's impossible to use turntable with this noise. But if I ground it to this ground screw, and this ground screw should be on the all mixers, or if you will connect it to the amplifier, the most of not bad amplifiers have this ground screw. Connected. No noise. Disconnected. Connected. Disconnected. So I believe that for demonstration it's enough. So please ground the turntable to the amplifier. Oh, I will make now detailed photos of the connectors of this ground cable, and also this photo of this ground connector on this numeric mixer, but you will find this ground connector also on your amplifier. So thank you for watching.